What if I told you the coolest gadgets aren't trending on TikTok? They're hiding in plain sight. Welcome to Tech MST, your spot for discovering smart, cool, next-level gadgets that actually make life easier. No fake hype, no useless tech, just gadgets worth knowing about. If you love cool gear and future-ready tech, hit subscribe. And yeah, all buy links are waiting in the description. Tired of charging cables everywhere? This 3-in-1 magnetic charger cleans it all up. Drop your iPhone, it snaps in place. Set your Apple Watch, drop your AirPods, all charging one stand. Fold it flat for travel, stand it up for FaceTime or videos. Strong MagSafe hold, clean desk, zero mess. One charger, 3 devices. That's smart charging. Still cutting veggies by hand? Stop wasting time. This is the Presto Salad Shooter. Point, shoot, done. Drop in veggies, cheese, fruits, press the button, slice or shred instantly. Thick slices, ripple cuts, fine shreds. Swap the cone, keep moving. Perfect for tacos, salads, stir-fry, pizzas. Powerful motor, easy cleanup. Less prep, more cooking. This isn't a slicer, it's a kitchen shortcut. See that mountain? Now see it 10 times closer. This 10x42 monocular turns distance into detail. One hand, quick focus, crystal clear view. Birds, hiking trails, games, travel. Just pull it out and look. Bright optics, sharp images, built for the outdoors. Small enough for your pocket, powerful enough to wow you. This isn't just a scope, it's adventure in your hand. What if your glasses could see, record, and translate for you? These AI smart glasses do exactly that. Tap once, record life in 1080p HD, hands-free. Traveling, they translate 160 plus languages in real time. Walking, biking, vlogging, no phone in your hands. Bluetooth audio, voice control, audio all day. Battery, lightweight. Smart, always ready. These aren't glasses, they're your AIs. Ever wanted a wearable that's way smarter than a watch? This is Rinken Gen 2, the ultralight smart ring with up to 12 days of battery life and no subscription required. It tracks sleep, breathing quality, heart rate, stress, and SpO2 all day, all night. Tiny titanium design feels like nothing on your finger, but tells you everything about your health. Charge once, wear for almost 2 weeks, and get data you can actually use. This isn't just a ring, it's your personal wellness hub. Ever wanted custom gear on the spot? This is Laser Pecker 2, a portable laser engraver and cutter that you can carry anywhere. Engrave wood, leather, plastic, stone, even curved mugs with precision up to 2K detail. Just tap, scan, and burn your design. No big workshop required. Fast, accurate, and crazy versatile for DIY, gifting, and small business projects. This isn't just tech, it's creation in your hands. Ever wish your security camera had personality? This is Ulo, the interactive Owl home monitor that doesn't just watch, it communicates with you through animated eyes. Live stream video right to your phone, get alerts when you leave the house, and even snap pics with a tap. No cold black box, just a friendly guardian bird vibe. Cute, clever, and always on watch. This isn't just a camera, it's home, peace of mind with personality. Ever wish you could see inside walls or engines? Now you can. This is a 2-way articulating borescope. It bends, turns, and looks exactly where your eyes can't. Slide it in, use the joystick, the camera moves left and right in tight spaces. Bright LEDs light up the dark. Sharp screen shows every detail. No app needed. Cars, pipes, walls, problems exposed fast. This isn't a camera, it's X-ray vision. Ever wish your tools felt as good as they look? Meet the Metmo Driver, a metal-built, high-torque ratchet driver that's engineered for real hands-on satisfaction and serious screwdriving. It's compact, weighs under a pound, and works with standard hex bits, so you can tighten, loosen, and torque like a pro without slipping. Every turn clicks crisp and smooth. It feels as good in your hand as it looks in your toolbox. This isn't just a screwdriver, it's precision engineering you want to use. Still switching tabs like it's 2015? This is the triple screen extender, and it turns your laptop into a 3-screen workstation. Snap it on, plug it in, boom, 3 1080p displays. No drivers, no setup drama. It's ultra thin, crazy light, fits in your bag and works anywhere. Cafe, flight, hotel. Traders, designers, remote workers, this saves time every single minute. This isn't extra screens, it's portable productivity unlocked. Your fridge smells even after cleaning. That's because baking soda masks odors. It doesn't kill them. This stainless steel fridge deodorizer actually destroys odor molecules. No power, no refills, no mess. Drop it in your fridge, freezer, RV, even shoes or bathrooms. It works 24/7 for up to 10 years. Small gadget, massive difference. Your food stays fresh and your fridge finally smells clean. Giving a kid a phone feels scary, but not knowing where they are feels worse. This is TikTok 5, a 4G smartwatch made just for kids. Your child can call, video call, or text you, and you see their exact location in real time. No social media, no strangers, just parents in control, kids staying connected. Emergency button, school mode, GPS, you can trust. This isn't a toy, it's peace of mind on your kid's wrist. Your desk is doing too much or not enough. This one lamp fixes everything. Light on, easy on the eyes. Drop your phone, wireless charging starts. Need more power? USB's right there. Clock, alarm, date, temperature, all built in. Phone holder pops out for videos or calls. One lamp, one desk, total upgrade. This isn't a desk lamp, it's a command center. This lamp doesn't look portable until you fold it. It packs flat, slips in your bag, then opens into a warm, cozy lantern anywhere. Tap to turn on, slide to dim, soft light for bedrooms, hotels, camping, late night vibes. Recharge once, hours of glow. No wires, no clutter. This isn't just a lamp, it's comfort you can carry. So yeah, that was today's cool gadget. If you liked this kind of tech, you're in the right place. More smart, more interesting gadgets coming soon on Tech MST. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned.